guys, I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we're making probably one of my most unique smoothie recipes, but also one of my favorite. It's a grapefruit and chlorella smoothie. So if you love grapefruit, this smoothie is for you. If you don't like grapefruit, then you could sub out a different liquid and it would change it pretty drastically, but it would still be a yummy and nutrition-packed smoothie. To start, I have 8 ounces of grapefruit juice. Now, if you can, juice this at home or get it from a fresh local juicery is always the best option. This is a cold press grapefruit juice, but anything will work. So 8 ounces of that. I have 1.5 frozen bananas. So these are previously frozen. I'm just gonna toss these in. I'm gonna do a tiny, tiny, tiny pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of goji berries, so this is a great antioxidant. A teaspoon of chlorella. Now, you could lower this and do about 1/2 teaspoon if you're new. You could also substitute this for spirulina if you need to, but we have a video on chlorella about why it's so good for you, so you can also check that out so you know more about the nutrition. And then 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, and this is gonna help make it a little bit creamier and also add some protein and omegas. And now, ready to blend. All right, so it doesn't blend for very long. Depending on what blender you have, you might need to add more liquid or less. This one worked out just perfectly for this. And now I'm, of course, using my glass straw as always. I'm just gonna pour this into a glass so it's ready to serve. And you could make smoothie packs with this recipe if you like it. But anyway, it's very refreshing. If you love grapefruit, you're gonna love it. That's a good way to get some antioxidants and some greens into your body. And I'll just go ahead and give it a try while we're here. Oh yeah, that's delicious. I love grapefruit. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I will see you next time.